What's going on, everybody? Welcome to What's for Dinner. Tonight we're making a fairly simple recipe of just buffalo chicken pizza. So let's get going. So first things first, obviously, I just have some chicken breasts here. I'm going to cut in half, almost make them fillets. I am going to cut them more, but I'm gonna cook them in the oven before we put them on the pizza. Then I'm going to put some hot sauce on them. That's basically what I want them to look like, and it's also because it will cook a bit faster. And you could add more to this or not. I'm working with a 13-inch pizza, so it's not going to take too much. Of course, I have my dough formed to the pan, and I'm just going to go and throw that in the refrigerator. Wait for my oven to come up to temp. I'm going to put some, excuse me, some Pam, canola oil, whatever you want to use, spray on my half pan there, and yeah, so okay, the oven's preheated. It's going 375. Of course, I did a couple more for, you never know. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to cut my vegetables. Little rough spot there. But yeah, I'm using obviously tomato and red onion. Red onion is very underrated to use on pizza. I'll give it that tang. You know, also presentation wise looks great. But then on top of that, I want the tomato because it will cool the whole thing down. So while we are waiting, I'm also going to make the sauce or the base for the pizza. And it's just Frank's Red Hot because it's abundant. And then also Wishbone ranch dressing. I want to mix them to equal parts. I'm probably shooting for around 4 ounces. You got to remember some of it's going to be left in here too when I actually sauce the pizza. So I got to take that into account. Now, on certain pizzas, with the size of them, I should say, like if you're using ranch and or hot sauce, you're not going to need as much of it as you would a pizza sauce. Now, you don't want not enough of it because it will burn up quicker than a pizza sauce. Where a pizza sauce on this style of pizza is usually about 6 ounces. I'm going to shoot for about 4. Again, equal parts. And if you want to make this not as hot, you can just use ranch itself as the base without any hot sauce. Because we will be covering That's a familiar sound. Ooh, that's hot. So again, that's pretty good. Definitely a kick. And if you put too much of this on there, it also won't cook the dough of the pizza. So you don't want to go too heavy. Okay. That could be spicier. Wow, it's some really addictive stuff. Chicken cooked for 375, or at 375, roughly about 35 minutes. And with a knife you didn't cut your raw chicken with, we're just going to basically cube this up. Why waste another cutting board, or Lord knows I have so many of them. Yeah, I know this is not the proper technical way to cut. I don't care.
More here. This is a little too big.
But literally, give you guys a little peek in there. I'm just going to take my hot sauce. More or less let it soak in there for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's build this pizza, but first off, I don't have anything to dock it with. And basically why you want to do this is so you don't get bubbles in your pizza. Now, some people like those, but that's more of a Chicago style or something, kind of deep dish pizza. Not so much. This is more it's almost say like New England style, like bar style dough. Okay, cranking up the oven. I'm going to go to 525. If you didn't see my last pizza video on ovens, check it out. Let's build this pizza.
Oven's preheated to 525, so probably is about 500. I'm going to go for 8 minutes if I want to add some extra cheese, but damn, there's so many toppings on this. It's going to take a while to cook.